Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your PC's operating system and that you have administrator access. This matters because drivers differ between Windows and Linux. Once done, plug the Wi-Fi USB adapter directly into a rear or primary USB port. Avoid unpowered hubs since they can drop connection. Make sure you have either the manufacturer's driver CD or a browser ready to download drivers. You're acting now. Insert the adapter, note any LED activity, and proceed to driver installation immediately. You'll install the correct driver next because the adapter won't function without it. If Windows, run the manufacturer installer or open device manager, locate the unknown device, and choose Update Driver, then browse to your driver folder. If on Linux, open a terminal, run lsusp to identify the chipset, and install the appropriate firmware package from your distro repos. Use sudo as needed. Once the driver is in place, reboot if prompted, then observe the network icon for available SSIDs. You finish by selecting your wireless network from the system list and entering the password. Make sure you pick the correct security type, such as WPA2 or WPA3, to avoid handshaking issues. After connecting, verify with ipconfig or ifconfig to see an IP address, then open a browser and load a web page. If it fails, try reinserting the adapter and reinstalling the driver, toggle the router's wireless, or check that MAC filtering is off. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.